Amazing benefits of ginger. Did you know there is a superfood hiding in your kitchen that can boost your health in more ways than one? It's time to uncover the amazing benefits of ginger. Let's dive into why ginger is such a powerful addition to your diet. Number 1, inflammation. You know that achy feeling you get after a long day? That's inflammation talking. Ginger contains a powerful compound called gingerol, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Think about it. If you've ever had sore muscles after a workout, ginger might be your new best friend. Ever feel bloated after a big meal? We've all been there before. Ginger can help with that too. It stimulates digestive juices and can ease nausea. If you are prone to motion sickness, let's say you are traveling, try ginger candies or tea before your next trip. I remember my friend who was pregnant and struggling with morning sickness. She swore by ginger tea. It made her morning so much more bearable. Ginger is like a little shield of your body. It has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off colds and flu. Regular adding ginger to your diet can lower your chances of catching those pesky bugs. A friend of mine started drinking ginger tea every flu season. She claims she hasn't caught a cold in years. She calls herself the healthiest person in our group. As we age, we all want to keep our minds as sharp as possible, right? Ginger may help with that too. Studies suggest it can improve your memory and cognitive function. Imagine this. You are at a family gathering and you are winning a trivia night because you've been enjoying ginger regularly. I spoke to an elderly gentleman who added fresh ginger to his meals after hearing about its benefits. He told me he feels more engaged in conversations and even enjoy puzzles more than ever. If you are worried about blood sugar spikes, ginger could lend a helping hand. It may improve insulin sensitivity and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This is especially important for anyone at risk of type 2 diabetes. I know someone who was pre-diabetic and started incorporating ginger into their diet by way of smoothies, stir fries, you name it. They were thrilled when their blood sugar reading improved. Spice up your life with ginger. You will not regret it. So, there you have it. Ginger is not just for flavor. It's packed with health benefits that can make a real difference in your life. Why not give it a try? Whether you sip on some ginger tea or add fresh ginger to your meals, your body will thank you. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living well. And feel free to share your own experience with ginger in the comments below. I love to hear how it worked for you. Bye. See you in the next video.